Um, yeah, I have no words. Anyways, I'm playing, oh my god, I thought it doesn't record my computer video. But anyways, Arsenal. Yep, there. Oh my god, this is so annoying. How do I... What the hell? Why is it so loud? Anyways, now I can finally play some... Oh shit, all the good levels are gone. Typing on red, modern blue. Oh my god! I'm a very good pro. Like a very good pro at this game. I don't know why, it just doesn't get me. Because I hate this... Oh, I hate this gun so much. It looks like a Fortnite gun. I don't know. I don't play Fortnite, just guessing. Oh my god, people already like gonna finish the game. Look at my seat. Come on. What the? Why is it always him? Did I do something? I don't think so. Wait, how do you... Oh my god, I just like intruded my whole entire team. I like... No, two... Okay, they're all quite good, I guess. Oh my god, who's playing that music? Yeah, I'm just gonna play it. Oh shit. Whatever, I don't care. Okay. Okay, I'm red.
Kill them all.
My favorite
Make them
color. Now
suffer.
I can totally... What did he say? Oh god, oh I like this. Oh my god, I like this gun. I like how they make that push. Hey! I was like millions of miles away and I just jumped the game. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the hell is he doing to the ground at the pool? Ground. Hey! Yay! 2 kills already. Oh boy, someone has done. Ah! What the hell? Where is this laser attack? I don't know. Oh crap. How do I have like wait, oh it's me! 5 kills. That's quite good, I get 5 deaths. Okay, this is a good I like oh my god. Not down going into the base. What? I was in what? Why am I shooting nothing? I was, oh, she's gonna get karma, isn't she? I mean, it could look like that. That's a good one. It's just bad. It's good. Oh my god, I thought they knocked on the door. Oh, and we're walking the other way. Oh, he's AFK.
Хорошо, you got it.
Oh, good gun.
Nice
Hey.
headshot.
But I die. Oh crap, that's close. Oh, I like this gun. It's a laser rifle. What the? Shut up. Oh my god. That is that car each time. So annoying. You're not invited. Oh, he's dead! I'm not dead. I don't know what I'm doing, really. All I'm doing is just like a game half season. I swear, he got lots of damage. Oh my god. I wish this could like 1,000 damage. That was like worth for as well. Imagine, that was so overpowered. I need that. Thank you. Next. There's one. Wait, how did I have a medic? If I had a medic, I could have used that. Like, easy one. Okay. Yeah. Oh!
Whoa! You blew his brains out.
I
Nice.
was exploring at the blue line. Like, you can clearly see him from the dun 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 dun. Oh my god, they were. I thought I was gonna win. I hate this guy. Oh, at least I can do this. Yeah. Oh. I mean, at least I can do it this. That is really creepy. Oh my god.
Хорошо. You got him.
Moist. Oh my god, that was like a 12 kill. Dang. I don't. Oh my god, but he was like. I think we shouldn't see that. I forgot. Power. I hit your power. Oh my god. Hit them out. Don't mind me, I'm such a noob at this game, even though I said I was pro. I'm only on level 23. And I'm up. Oh my god. Oh god, he won first. At least I won 6th. They're pros in the game. Actually, this one. I just pick random. Like, am I the only one who's never played free for all? Like, yeah. Does that mean like everyone? Like, it's like, oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the shop because I don't know. Oh my god, I don't know what to buy with this stuff. I don't know what to buy with this stuff. Character case, sure. Sure, 7,000. Okay. Oh my Santa Claus. Okay, buy another one. I'm just gonna waste all my money on this one. Right? Oh my god. I feel ashamed of getting. It's just a plane crash. Doesn't like no one see that? Who cares? Oh god. No. Another one. Why does he have a newspaper? Okay, I can get this one? Nope, I can't. I should have got this. Wasting on. What is that? Is that like oh, that was pointless. And go to locker. I don't know if I can put on because I'm oh. Holy crap. Oh, this one looks cool. I like that one. What does all these yellow things mean? I mean, there's no yellow ones. Rambo. I'm gonna put this one on. Go back. I did not know there's so much game. I have this. I have that. Who cares? Wait, I think purple's a good one. That means it's good. Okay, yeah, pointless. So I'm just gonna wear this one because it's purple. I don't know. Okay. Stupid. Okay, I'm gonna.
They are
I don't
stupid
know.
to think they will win.
You get a whole army there. Thank you. Can you just rage? Okay, anyways, I'm gonna just rage for the rest of my life. And yeah. Bye.